When a page is torn free of a book, you should never use tape for the repair. Reattach using Norabond liquid plastic adhesive. Here are the supplies you'll need: Demco Norabond adhesive, a bone folder, waxed paper, a mending stick, and rubber bands. Place a sheet of wax paper under the page to be reattached. Apply Norabond along the entire torn edge using a mending stick. Align the two sides of the tear and be sure the paper is lapped correctly. Place another sheet of wax paper on top of the page and gently smooth it with a bone folder. Close the book and secure with rubber bands. Let dry for 24 hours.